Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Molly. Today on the show, I'm going to be making two drinks. One is a recipe that's been circulating around the internet recently. It's an abomination called the Beef Fizz. So apparently this originated in the 1950s, and it's just beef broth, ginger ale, and lemon juice. And the next one is a Boston Cooler, which is essentially a root beer float. It's vanilla ice cream, but instead of root beer, you use ginger ale. Now, I have high hopes for the Boston Cooler. The Beef Fizz, I'm not so sure. But we're gonna make them, and then Dan and I are gonna taste test these and let you know how they turn out. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna do the Beef Fizz first. Okay, so we're gonna taste the Beef Fizz first. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're ready?
Maybe not. What is this exactly?
It's ginger ale,
Oh, okay.
lemon juice, and beef broth. This is a
Oh.
1950s era recipe.
That's very interesting.
Bon appetit. It's pretty gross.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
This is really disgusting.
Yeah, I don't like it at all.
It's salty. It's very salty, and it's like,
It's so much salty, it's hurting the back of my throat.
it's just gross. Why?
I do not recommend this whatsoever.
No, this one's pretty crappy. Yeah, this sucks. So we don't recommend this drink. It's pretty gross. Let's get a close-up of it. Beef Fizz. Disgusting.
Grade mark, absolute F.
F. Are you ready for the Boston Cooler?
Absolutely. Hopefully it's better than the last one.
It is. All it is vanilla ice cream and ginger ale.
Okay.
So it's like a root beer float, but with ginger ale. Do you want more ice cream?
No, that's funny.
You sure?
Yeah.
I love ginger.
I've never had this brand of ginger ale, but
Verner's? Oh, it's so good. It's delicious. You ready? Thousand times better. Thousand times better. So I think this is a 50s era recipe too. I think. I don't really know. This one's delicious. It's creamy, gingery bite. You can change it up by putting whatever ginger ale you want on it. Yeah, Boston Cooler is very good.
I give it a solid B.
A B? I give it an A. But I think I like ginger ale better than you.
Yeah. It's good. It tastes like vanilla ginger ale.
Hmm? What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
If you like ginger ale, you'll like this. If you don't like ginger ale, you won't like this.
It's good though. It's really refreshing though.
It's very refreshing. Very
And
good.
it's pretty warm here in Washington right now too. So this is definitely like a summertime warm.
My teeth are sensitive. Boston Cooler is delicious. Don't drink the Beef Fizz. Drink this instead. So if you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe. I upload several times a week. And Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes. So I hope to see you in the next video.
Bye everybody.